Hi everyone, welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. If you're a business owner watching this and wondering, do I actually need a bookkeeper yet? Or if you're a future bookkeeper trying to understand when clients usually reach out, this video is for you. Because here's the truth. Most people don't hire a bookkeeper when they should. They hire one when they're overwhelmed, stressed, and months behind. Today, I'm walking you through the real signs it's time to hire a bookkeeper, what happens if you wait too long, and how a bookkeeper actually supports your business beyond just doing the books. No pressure, no sales pitch, just some clarity. A lot of business owners think hiring a bookkeeper is something you do later, when your company's bigger, when you're making more money, or when things get more complicated. But in reality, hiring a bookkeeper at the right time saves you money, prevents mistakes, reduces stress, and gives you clearer financial direction. Waiting too long usually costs more than hiring one early. Let's go ahead and start with the most obvious sign it's time to hire a bookkeeper. Now, if you're weeks or even months behind, avoiding your bookkeeping like it's the plague, catching up in big, stressful chunks, or unsure if your books are accurate. Those are all signs. Bookkeeping isn't something that you should panic do once a quarter or at tax time. A bookkeeper helps you keep your finances consistent, clean, accurate, and up to date. If you're constantly behind, it's time to outsource. Now think about this. If someone asked you right now, how much profit did you make last month? And you're not confident in the answer, that's a really big sign. When business owners do their own books without experience, they often misclassify expenses, miss deductions, duplicate their income, and misunderstand reports. A bookkeeper ensures your numbers tell the truth. They're not just a guess. If tax season feels like panic, scrambling for documents, paying more than expected, or feeling unprepared, that is not normal. A bookkeeper keeps books tax ready all year, works hand in hand with your accountant, reduces last-minute stress, and helps avoid surprises at tax time. Tax time should feel boring and a little redundant, but not terrifying. Growth is exciting, but it also adds complexity to your business. Signs growth is triggering the need for a bookkeeper are more transactions, multiple income streams, contractors and employees, sales tax or VAT, and multiple bank accounts. What worked at $1,000 a month does not work at $10,000 a month. A bookkeeper helps your systems grow with your business. Here's a big one. If bookkeeping is taking hours every week, time away from your clients or time away from your family, and a lot of mental energy that you just don't have, those are all costs. Your time is valuable, and a bookkeeper gives you that time back. Next, if you're guessing how much you can pay yourself, unsure if you can afford to invest, nervous about cash flow, or making decisions based on your bank balance, you definitely need clearer financial visibility. A bookkeeper helps you understand the cash flow, profitability, spending patterns, and financial trends. And those numbers all equal clarity. Hiring a bookkeeper is especially important if you're preparing for a loan or a grant, adding on an investor, scaling your business, bringing in a partner, or if you're considering selling your business. Clean books build credibility. Messy books are huge red flags to all of the people that we just talked about. So let's clear something up. A bookkeeper doesn't just enter transactions, categorize expenses, and reconcile accounts. A good bookkeeper creates systems, maintains accuracy, provides financial clarity, supports your accountant, and gives you peace of mind. Especially as software becomes more automated, human oversight matters now more than ever. So if you're wondering whether it's time to hire a bookkeeper, here's a simple rule. If your business finances are causing you stress, confusion, or avoidance, then it's time. Hiring a bookkeeper isn't a failure. It's a smart business decision. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.